afternoon. We are at Out of Nowhere restaurant right now eating chicken teriyaki and Asian barbecue. This is teriyaki. This is my beautiful Miss Tisa Tisay wife eating again. And this is our strawberry. This is our strawberry shake. Para sa mainit na panahon, strawberry. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. And this is my wife over there eating subu. Okay. This is the teriyaki. This is teriyaki, my order of my wife. And this is my order. Double Asian barbecue. Asian barbecue. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. God bless us all. We are celebrating in advance our anniversary. 28 years wedding anniversary. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. God bless us all. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you very much.